Hello and welcome to Wealth Factor, the channel that helps you unlock your financial potential. Today, we're going to be talking about a skill that you can use to earn money from home: typing. Did you know that you can earn a living just by typing? It's true. In this video, we're going to cover how you can make money typing from home. Let's get started. First off, you need to decide what type of typing work you want to do. There are many options available, such as freelance writing, data entry, transcription, and more. Each type of work has its own requirements, so make sure you choose the one that suits you best. Once you've decided what type of work you want to do, it's time to start looking for opportunities. There are many websites and platforms where you can find typing jobs, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also look for opportunities on job boards, such as Indeed or Glassdoor. When you're looking for typing jobs, make sure you read the job description carefully. Some jobs require specific skills or experience, so make sure you meet the requirements before you apply. You should also pay attention to the payment terms and deadlines. Once you've found a typing job that you're interested in, it's time to apply. Make sure you tailor your application to the job you're applying for. Highlight your relevant skills and experience, and explain why you're the best candidate for the job. When you start working on a typing job, it's important to communicate with your client. Make sure you understand their requirements and ask questions if you're unsure about anything. You should also make sure you deliver your work on time and to a high standard. As you gain more experience and build up your portfolio, you can start to increase your rates. You can also look for long-term clients who can provide you with a steady stream of work. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful career as a typist. So there you have it, how to make money typing. If you're looking for a flexible and rewarding way to earn money from home, typing could be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Wealth Factor for more tips and advice on building your wealth. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.